Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use Bank of America cash rewards. Number one, you can use it to earn cashbacks. How? You get 3% back in a category of your choice, for example gas, online shopping or dining. You get 2% at grocery stores and wholesale clubs up to $2,500 per quarter, and you get 1% cashback on all other purchases. You can activate bonus categories in the Bank of America mobile app or online. Number two, you can redeem these rewards directly by using the statement credit that directly reduces your balance. You can deposit into a Bank of America or Merrill Lynch account. You can get gift cards or purchases, sometimes with extra bonuses. Then you can maximize benefits by maybe using preferred rewards members with Bank of America or Merrill Lynch accounts that earns you about 25% more cashback. There's no annual fee, but you can check for foreign transaction fees if you're traveling. How do you manage your card? Pay on time via Bank of American app, online or auto pay to avoid interest. And lastly, monitor spending and rewards in the Bank of America mobile banking app. Always check for updated bonus categories each quarter. So, in conclusion, you can spend in your 3% category, redeem for statement credit, and boost rewards with Bank of America's preferred rewards program. No fuss, just cashback. See you in the next one.